Dude, now I'm going to find out squares of numbers. I start from 1. Let's find how much I can go. Let's do this. 1 square means 1 times of 1, which is equal to 1. So it's 1. 2 square. 2 square you can write it as 2 times of 2, which going to become 4. And 3 square, here it becomes 3 times of 3, which is going to become 9. And 4 square, it is 4 times of 4, which is 16. I do one more, that is 5 square, which is 5 times of 5, which is 25. 6 square is 6 times of 6, which is 36. 7 square is 7 times of 7, which becomes 49. 8 square is 8 times of 8, which is 64. And 9 square is 9 times of 9, which is 81. 10 square is 10 times of 10, which is 100. Let's do some more. Here I start by doing 11 square. It is 11 times of 11. You can write 11 as 10 plus 1 and 10 times of 11 and 1 times of 11. 10 times of 11 is 110 and 1 times of 11 is 11. 110 plus 11 going to become 121. And I do here, let's put a small box. 12 square, 13 square, 14 square and 15 square. Here do 12 square. 12 square means 12 times of 12. 12 you can split as 10 plus 2. Here also multiply by 12. Here also multiply by 12. 12 times of 10 is 120 plus 12 times of 2 is 24. 24 plus 120 is 144. Now let's do 13 square. 13 times of 13. 13 can be written as 10 plus 3. Here also multiply with 13. Here also with 13. 13 times of 10 is 130. 13 times of 3 is 39. You're going to get 130 plus 39, 169. Now 14 square. 14 times of 14. 14 can be written as 10 plus 4. Here also 14 and here also 14. Now you can do it like this. 14 times of 10, 140 plus 14 times of 4, 56. When you add, it becomes 196. It is 196. Here 15 square means I can write it as 15 times of 15. Here 15 can be written as 10 plus 5. Here also multiply with 15. Here also multiply with 15. 15 times of 10 is 150 plus 15 times of 5, 75, which is 225. This is going to become 225. And now I'm going to find out what's the answer for next 5. 16 square, 17 square, 18 square, 19 square and 20 square. Here 16 square means 16 times of 16. 16 can be split as 10 plus 6. Here also 16. Here also 16. 16 times of 10 is 160. 16 times of 6 is 96. 160 plus 96, 256. That's equal to 256. Now 17 square is 17 times of 17. You're going to write it as, split it as 17 can be split as 10 plus 7. Here also multiply with 17. Here also multiply with 17 times of 10 is 170. 17 times of 5 is 85. 6 is 102. 17 times of 7 is 119. When you add, you're going to get 289. 170 plus 100 is 270 plus 19 is 289. Let's find out 18 square. 18 times of 18. 18 can be split as 10 plus 8. And now here also 18 and here also 18 multiply. 10 times of 18 is 180 plus 18 times of 8 144. 18 times of 5 is 90 and 6 is 108. 7 is 126. 18 times of 8 is 144. When you add, you're going to get it as 324. 180 plus 100, 280 plus 44, 324. Now 19 square. 19 times of 19, you can write 19 as 20 minus 1. Multiply with 19 on both sides. Here you're going to get 19. 19 times of 238 with 0, 380 minus 19. When you subtract, you're going to get 361. 361 and 20 square. 20 times of 20. 2 times of 2 is 4 and 2 zeros, so it's going to become 400. This is I made roots from 1 square to 20 square. I'm going to make more like this. Bye.